Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox this Beastmen Brayherds Battalion. So let's have a look at the front. And the back. So some options. And also here. So, and what did it say? 61 models in this box. Well, let's open it up and see what's inside. So first off, a lot of bases here for the models. And the first base maybe for the Ghorgon here. And this is some kind of behemoth, I must say. Going to be a big model on the battlefield. And the back also here. A lot of nice details. And the next. Pretty detailed sculpt here. And the back. And then we've got some, I don't know what these, got some weapon choices here. And the other side. Again, nicely detailed. Looking forward to putting these together. Get to know them a bit better. I think here we've got one of the, this is the same sprue as just before. So two of those. I've got some choices here for bows or spears. And of course shields also. And the back. Or the front. And let's see. That's one more for the bigger units here and more of the same for the small ones. So these are just the same. Here we've got a big base for the big guy. And of course some assembly guides here. First for the Cygor or Ghorgon, if you want to put either the one or other together. We've got the Ghorgon or the Cygor. I don't know which one is better. Depends on your playstyle too, I think, but yeah. Yeah, some options for putting this Ghorgon together, which looks really nice. One towering brute over the battlefield. And now we've got the Cygor with two options, either a stone or a statue and some other stuff. And here for the other option with the statue in his hand. So yeah, two different options for your Cygors or one for the Ghorgon. Then we've got our Gor Herd. Let's have a look inside. So all the different options here you can put together. And all the weapon choices down here. So either one hand weapon and a shield or two hand weapons. So yeah, depends on what you want to do with them. That was the Gor Herd and the Ungor Herd here. And either hand weapon and shield or one with bow. So once again you get some options here for putting together your herds. And two transfer sheets, just the same. But nice if your freehand isn't that good, like mine. But yeah. Well, that was it for this Beastmen Brayherds Battalion box. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.